Rolex left a massive £20,000 hole in the traveller watch market, and Tudor just filled it with a 39mm masterpiece that might actually wear better on your wrist than the crown ever did. Welcome back to LuxePulse. If you have tried to buy a steel Rolex GMT-Master to Pekusin Pepsi at an authorized dealer lately, you already know the story. Between astronomical secondary market markups and it being discontinued earlier this year, getting an iconic red and blue dual-time watch on your wrist feels virtually impossible for most collectors. When the market demanded a real-world solution, Tudor didn't just respond with a compromise, they dropped a knockout punch, the Tudor Black Bay 58 GMT. This isn't just another colour variation slapped onto an existing watch. Tudor took every complaint collectors had about their older GMT models, threw them in the trash, and built the ultimate vintage-inspired travel watch for modern life. When Tudor dropped their original Black Bay GMT back in 2018, watch nerds loved the look, but many struggled with the wearability. At 41mm wide and nearly 15mm thick, it felt like wearing a steel brick on the wrist. The Black Bay 58 GMT completely changes the game. Tudor trimmed the case footprint down to the fan-favourite 39mm diameter and carved the case height down to a far sleeker 12.8mm. Combined with a compact 47mm lug-to-lug distance, this watch anchors itself to the wrist with effortless balance. The anodized aluminum bezel insert features a rich black and burgundy Coke colourway, detailed with warm gilt numerals that give off an immediate 1950s Bakelite charm without feeling forced. Underneath the domed sapphire crystal, Tudor equipped this watch with a serious piece of mechanical hardware, the manufacture caliber MT5450U. This is a true flyer GMT. That means when you land in a new time zone, you pull the crown out and jump the local hour hand backward or forward in clean, crisp 1-hour increments without stopping the movement or interrupting your precise timekeeping. Even better, this engine carries official GMT-Master chronometer certification. That guarantees unforgiving precision rated between 0 and +5 seconds per day, a weekend-proof 65-hour power reserve, an astounding 15,000 Gauss of anti-magnetic resistance. In an age where modern travel exposes your watch to magnetic iPad covers, laptop batteries, and airport security scanners, this level of engineering protection is an absolute game-changer. While the movement specs are impressive on paper, what you will appreciate every single day is the hardware. Tudor offers the BB58 GMT on a cut-to-size rubber strap, a classic rivet-style steel bracelet, or a dressier 5-link Jubilee-style steel bracelet. Crucially, every single version features Tudor's proprietary T-Fit rapid adjustment clasp. As you fly across climate zones or step out of an air-conditioned terminal into the summer heat, your wrist expands. With the T-Fit system, you can instantly slide the clasp to adjust the bracelet length by up to 8mm on the fly, completely tool-free. When you look at the math, the conversation gets simple. A grey market Rolex Pepsi will set you back anywhere between £16,000 and £20,000. The Tudor Black Bay 58 GMT lands at a UK retail price of around £3,770 on the 5-link steel bracelet, delivering master chronometer specs, historical design DNA, and superior daily ergonomics for less than a quarter of the price. We are closing in fast on our 1,000 subscriber milestone here at LuxePulse United Kingdom. If you love honest, data-backed luxury watch reviews and want to stay ahead of market trends without boutique gatekeeping, take a second to hit that subscribe button right now. Your support keeps the channel growing. Is the Tudor BB58 GMT the ultimate modern travel watch? Or are you still holding out for a Rolex Pepsi waitlist call? Let us know in the comments below, hit the like button, and we will see you in the next one.